Which NFL Plus plan is right for you? If you are trying to decide which NFL Plus plan is right for you, the choice really comes down to how you watch football and which features you actually need. NFL Plus currently has two main options: NFL Plus Base and NFL Plus Premium. The base plan is designed for fans who mainly want live football on their phone or tablet, while Premium is better for viewers who want NFL RedZone game replays and additional features like all 22 coaches film. Let's start with NFL Plus Base. This plan costs $6.99 per month or $49.99 for a season at the standard price. There is also a current promotion offering the first season for $39.99 through September 21. With NFL Plus Base, you can watch live local and primetime games on supported phones and tablets, get access to 24/7 NFL Network live stream, watch live out-of-market preseason games on supported devices, and listen to live game audio throughout the season. So if you mainly watch games on a mobile device and want affordable NFL access without needing replays or red zone, the base plan may be a better choice. If you want more features, NFL Plus Premium is the option to consider. Premium costs $14.99 per month or $99.99 per season at the standard price, with the current promotion offering the first season for $79.99 through September 21. Premium includes everything available with the base plan, plus NFL Red Zone, which you can watch on supported TV and mobile devices. You can get full and condensed game replays across supported devices, as well as access to all 22 coaches film. This makes Premium a better fit for serious football fans. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.